Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to solve the logarithm. For you to solve the logarithm here, then we can use the logarithm equation to simplify this one. Let's see solution. You look at the question, says find the number whose logarithm to the extent is 2.605. Since this one the logarithm to the extent is 2.605, then we can let the unknown to be equals to this one. We can let the logarithm to the unknown to be x or y or any number given. Okay, we can say let the number be x, let the number be x. Then we can say, since the number is the logarithm to the extent is equals this one, we can say log 10 x is equals to 2.6025. Then we can apply the law. We can simplify it by saying we can say this one, we take this one up. We can say x is equals to 10 raised to power 2.6025. Okay, let's simplify this. This one we can simplify by saying 10 raised to power 2.6025 is equals to, now the value of x is equals to 4004.4. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.